In this video, I want to look at how do I start adding items into my It's Learning course. So I already went ahead and created folders in my course. So I have a folder for Unit 1 and for Unit 2. I want to add a file inside the Unit 1 folder. So I'm going to begin by clicking on my Unit 1 folder. And notice I now have an indented add link. Compare that to the other add link below the Unit 2 folder. If I want to add something inside a folder, I make sure that I click the link that is indented underneath the folder that I want to add the item into. If I do not want the item in a folder, I click the one that is not indented. So I'm going to go up here and click Add, that's indented under Unit 1. I see all my choices of things that I can add. I'm going to add a file. I'm going to click File or Folder. You can add files from the hard drive of your computer, from a jump drive. If you have files on your server space at school, you can add from there. That's called our H drive. You can add from Dropbox or from Google Drive. I'm going to just add something from my H drive space. I'm going to click here on Browse. There's all my different files. Let's go ahead and just choose a file, click Open. You will see it process the file. And then notice whatever the file name is, it will add that as the title. If you want to edit that, just click this little pencil here at the top of the screen and change that to whatever you'd like it to be. Down here below where it's added the file, notice by default that file will be active, that students can see it as soon as you click Save. If for some reason you do not want them to see it, you can say no, or you can set a time span of when that file would actually open. Additionally, you can type a brief description as to what the file is. When you're ready, hit Save, and then you will see that that file has now been added to your course. Over here in the tree, I see in Unit 1, I have my Assessing Archived Courses file. Let's repeat that. I'm going to click Add, File or Folder. I'm going to browse to find my file. Now on this one, I'm going to show you what happens if I say active no. So I'm going to change this to no. I'm going to click Save. Notice over here in the tree the difference between the two files that I have added. When you add a file and make it inactive, it will be italicized. That will be the note to you to let you know, hey, students do not see that file, only you as the teacher sees that file. A couple different ways to activate that. If you click on the folder containing that particular item, notice here you get what I call the table of contents for that folder, and then there's a column for active. And you can just change that to yes, and then no longer will it be italicized. Students can see it. Additionally, if you click on the file itself, you can go to the little dot 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 button in the upper right hand corner, or sorry, excuse me, you go to the properties, and then once that opens, you can change to active yes and then hit Save. Hopefully that helps you add files to your It's Learning course.